Okay, so let's continue with the getters and setters. Okay, I have created a main class, so I have named it helper underscore one underscore main, which we are going to use to execute this one setters and getters class. Okay, yeah. So within this, how look at it how we can call this class within this main class. Okay, because this is a class on its own, the helper one is a class on its own, same as applies to the helper one underscore main. Okay, so we call the class name of that class, which is helper one, which is of course is over here. Okay, then we create an object from it. Okay? We'll make it h1, then we say it must equals to a new, okay, a new, then we recall the class name again. Okay, yeah, so this is what in the previously I was trying to explain to you. Since we have an empty constructor over here, it helps us to instantiate, okay, the helper one class within the helper one underscore main, which makes it possible with the help of this with the help of the object we have created, the h1, making us getting the access to access, yeah, it provides us the access to get to the element of this helper one hot properties. Okay, so from here we have instantiate this helper one in our main hot in our helper underscore one main class. Okay, so from now this helper one is being accessible within this class. Okay, so from here anything that we want to make a reference to concerning the helper one class, we have just created an object from it that we can call this object straight away and then deal with its element. So I will say h1 dot. At the moment we say the h1 dot, we are able to get the first name, get the salary, get the age. Okay, same as to set the age, set the first name, and then set the salary as well. So as initially this program being executed, okay, let us set a default values, okay, to these fields that we created as our setter in our setters class. Okay, so we first say we set the first name. Okay, the first name to be I. Okay, sorry, it must be string. Okay, I, just like that. Okay, we have set, now we have set a value into this first name within this one class as it is over here. Okay, so this first name will hold the variable that we have passed, or the value that we have passed, and right now this value is I. Okay, so whenever that we run this our main helper one class, we're gonna set the first name for our setters class to be I. Okay, same as we can proceed on to say h1 dot set what the age is int. Okay, because we never had an age of double a decimal. Okay, I'm 22. Okay, then we go ahead and say h1 dot the salary. Again, the salary since it's double, it can be of type int, no problem. Double, no problem. Okay, monthly. Okay, okay, so with this and other thing that I can say about setters and getters classes, they can be used to store a data for a while. or they can be used to store the data for a temporary use. Okay, when the program just get executed. Okay, unlike I have a project over here which the iConnect hotel management system. Okay, we have a lot of classes being provided in this kind of project. Okay, let me show you a sample of it. When we go to the hotel, from here you can see I have a helper, and then a help. Okay, all these are just setters and getters. You see the book, the mobile book, the help. We have the bank saving, the paid, the sponsors. All these are just setters and getters, but which of course these are of different data types. Okay, simple string properties and those types. We will get to that part. So initially this project just gets executed. Okay, I usually load some codes from online, then I store it within some of these classes, so that I won't bother, or I won't write any much codes again to execute or calling different information from the net all over again. Once I just run this program, I make sure that I load these data from the database wherever it is, then I store it within these setters and getters. Okay, so anytime that I want to make a reference to any data which I may need, I just make a reference to it and then call it. Okay, so right now we have set the name for the first name and the age and the salary. So any moment that we run this main class, this data will be set. Okay, so let's use a simple conditional statement to check if a user input in a variable a value, and then we correspond if it match the first name. We says your salary is so and so. If it match your age, then we say your name is that of that, and then blah blah blah. Okay, I will pause the video for a while and then so that's what. Okay, this is what so far I did for these setters and getters. As you could see, I just created a scanner which helps us to read the user input from the keyboard. Then I created a prompt to say please specify your name, and I'm gonna tell your age if match. Okay, then I created a variable over here which is name. Use it to accept the user's input. Okay, and then I simply use switch. Okay, to check the name if the name matches the capital I or the small like, okay, then I say if the name matches, then I say your ages, then we call the object that we created, then we get the from it because we have already set it. Immediately we just get execute, okay. Then it says and you get the salary, okay, per month, the salary that we set over here. Okay, so this is simply just about setters and getters, and with default, if the name does not match, okay, then you say sorry, I couldn't make it. Okay, that's simply what this method and getter is all about. You just declare your method, your getters and setters class, okay, concerning or including the variables or the data types holding the kind of data that you are gonna deal with. Okay, through that you use to create your data setters. It starts with empty constructor and then followed by a constructor with an argument being instantiated with the variables that you created. Then you simply right click in empty space, then you call for the insert and then proceed on with your getters and setters. I have included that already, that's why it didn't just appear once again. Okay, so this is all what setters and getters about. I will try to make another video to you and then explain a little bit much, or we work with different examples as well for you to get a very well understand about it. Okay, so this will be the end of this tutorial.